So in order to remove this one, I used an 11 millimeter. So this is what I used. You're going to need an extension. This little swivel here. All right, so these are the ones 1, 2, and 3 up there. That's the top one. Now, if you want to remove the rear panel, then you're going to be dealing with those little bottom ones, those rusted ones. 1, 2, and then you want to look. If you look inside, I can't really see, it's too dark. There should be some right on that hole, and then over here as well. It's just too dark in order to remove the panel on the outside. But once you remove those 3, the next thing you want to do is you want to remove these cables, top or bottom, doesn't matter. And it's pretty simple. These things go right just like that. So I just did that with one hand. So you're going to pull on this cable, bring it down through here, and that's it. And once you get one, you get the other one. This whole thing, just wiggle it to the right side, and eventually it'll pop out. This is the actuator. Actuator is the same as the left side actuator for the locks on a truck. So just this one, and the problem with this one is it's not locking. And the reason why it's not locking is the mechanism is stuck. So this is where the actuator goes. So this moves this in and out. And what that does, I'm gonna flip it over. So now imagine you're looking at it from the back side. This moves in and out. So when it moves out this way, then the handle can move up and down freely, such as right here. As I was saying, it can move up and down freely, whereas here it's engaged. So this will lock and unlock. If I flip it over, you can see how this is working. So that's where the cable would be, 1, 2. So there would be opening and closing. So that's the problem. So I need to clean this whole thing out and then lubricate it so that it can move. This can slide freely back and forth for it to lock, and that's it. So that's how it's supposed to be working. This is what I use to loosen it up, and this is what I'm going to use to make sure it stays lubricated. This thing is now ready. I mean, see how smooth it is now? So now it'll lock and unlock. And again, this is what I use to free the stuff up. This is actually the stuff that I put on all of the locks as well, so they don't rust and get stuck. And when I bought the vehicle, that lock was all stuck, and that's the same lube that got everything unlocked. So I got this from I buy this from my local locksmith. He's the one that sells it, so I use it on my house, locks, everything, and that's the same exact stuff that he uses for locks that are crusty and stuck. So that's the reason why I use it. If he uses it, if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me. All right, another note, put the cables in before you put the entire locking mechanism in the little studs. It makes it a lot easier. Then you can just clip this on and everything will be, oops, sorry, here we go. You can clip this on and everything will be good. There we go, so it's one-handed. But anyway, I'm gonna continue. So once I do that, then I'll set that rod again, and I'll be able to button everything up. Here we go with iPro, even though I don't need it anymore. So it opens, it closes just like it should. Should have brought the key. Lock. And it locks. And that's it.